Hello, welcome to my channel. So are you looking at this pancakes right now? So today I am in the mood of making some pancakes, and now I'm gonna show you how I made them. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm in the mood of making some pancakes, and here what you can see are the ingredients. So I'll start with a mixie where I have already taken 2 eggs, and now I'm gonna add 2 cups, this type of cup of sugar. Yes, and then I'm gonna blend it really badly so that it all gets mixed up. Yes, I want sweet pancakes, of course, and that's why I am adding 2 cups of sugar, and then I'm gonna add some vanilla essence. Yes, some vanilla essence really enhances the taste. It brings the smell, so do not forget to put vanilla essence. And now I'm gonna blend it. Yes, now I'm gonna blend it. This is how it is gonna look after blending. And now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We of course want fluffy soft pancakes, so putting baking soda is one of the prerequisite of preparing a pancake. And then I'm gonna add some butter. Yes, because I don't have oil right now at present. And then we are gonna add 2 same cups of sugar of maida. Yes, I had it all. I'm gonna add, just properly take it. Yes, we added maida, and now I'm gonna add some milk. Yes, I'm adding this milk in this cup. I have added only 1 cup of milk, and now I'm gonna blend it once more. Okay, so this is what you get. It's a bit milky, but then I think it's totally perfect since we are not baking a cake over here. We are doing pancakes, so I think even if it's a bit light, then there is actually no problem. This is the thing you should get. Now I'm going to turn it around. Yes, it's perfectly fine, perfectly cooked, fluffy and soft. And I won't like to disturb its proper form, so I'm gonna put it down like I have kept the others. Finally, it seems that I'm successful in making a round pancake after trying so many. Yes, and now after some time I'm gonna turn it around to see that how it turns out to be. This round pancake, the first one. Yes, it looks perfectly fine. Yes. Garnishing I have done is I have put some honey on the pancakes, and I'm sure that you're gonna love it once you try it on. I'm gonna put some choco syrup on top of that, and I'm gonna garnish this really well. Yes, I'm gonna put some choco chips on top of it. Yes, it's totally worth it. And this pancake looks like so delicious.